What about this? Yeah. لغوا. لغوا. Good. We can say actually I'm struggling with this. Okay. Let me just erase this word altogether because it's not writing good. We can say what about this? أغنى. أغنى. Good. So generally it's not that hard. We say the kha and the gha. Agh and agh. These are the top of the throat. Okay. Now the middle of the throat are what letters? Ain and ha. Okay. So this is a little bit better in terms of learning because these have close similarities with other letters. So if a person doesn't recite the ain correctly, it'll sound just like It'll sound like the hamza. And if a person doesn't recite ha correctly, it'll sound just like the ha. So this is where the makharij become important. So the first example we can take is right. Okay. So this is really important because now we have two letters of the throat. The hamza is going to be at the bottom of the throat and they're right next to each other. So we have to be able to pronounce each one from its makhraj. So a lot of people just say auzu, okay? And blend them all in together. That's what a lot of people from Pakistan and India and stuff will just say auzu. Auzu is not correct, okay? It's a'udhu, a'udhu, a'udhu. Right. The first one is going to be from here, from the bottom of the throat actually, from almost the chest. So it's a'udhu. Good. We say ba'du. Yeah. Ba'du. Yeah. Good. And then we have ha. Try it. Oh, this is supposed to be a fatha. Sorry. Yeah. Fa'ahbata. Good. So now this ha, this is why we're going to study some of the slifat to go along with the makharij so that we can learn them at the same time. So if you just say fa'ahbata, that's not giving the ha its due from its slifat, from its qualities. Okay? And it also has to be pronounced from the middle of the throat. So you can actually tell if you say fa'ahbata, that's not the middle of the throat. That's kind of down at the bottom. And so now if you realize that, no, this ha comes from right here, like this Adam's apple area. فَأَحْبَطَ. فَأَحْبَطَ. Good. Now compare the bottom of the throat, which some people, it's like almost in the chest area, which is the letter ha, and the letter Hamza. So we can say okay. So this one, what do we do? Yeah. So now it's ha and ha, and we have to be able to differentiate them. So you can't just say ha ha, okay? Because that's not going to be right. So it's waduhaha. The second ha is basically exhaling, right? It's the bottom of the throat, like from this area. It's not the chest. We don't say the cavity. It's not al-jawf, but it's the bottom of the throat. So we say waduhaha. Good. We say وَمَا طَحَاهَا. Good. Let's say another one. Oh, here's a common example. Uh-huh. Try it. Yeah. No, so that second one, yeah. The second one, you started to say ha. Okay? So we read this all the time. جَنَّاتٍ تَجْرِي مِنْ تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارِ. Right? تَحْتِهَا الْأَنْهَارِ. So we have تَحْتِهَا. تَحْتِهَا. Good. So if I want to say this, yeah, al-ahqaf, ahqaf, uh-huh, ahqaf. Good. Um, okay, here's another one that's good. Okay, so now we have a Hamza, which is from where? Yeah, the bottom of the throat, and then an Ain, which is the middle of the throat. So it's close, but they're still distinct. They're two different letters, two different makharij. So al-a'la, and this actually has a sukun on it. So you're going from this makhraj to the next one. Al-a'la, al-a'la. So we say سبح اسم ربك الأعلى. Right? سبح اسم ربك الأعلى. Good. We can say this comes close to having all of the vowel sounds and the letters of mud in the word, but not quite. Uh-huh. Yeah. فأعينوني. فأعينوني. Good. So this is actually, when we start doing this, we'll see that all of this stuff comes together. Right now we're just doing words and certain makharij, and then we'll see that the makharij come together and the slifat, and once we start taking full ayat. So here, there's the ya preceded by a